Hey guys, we have here our Oontz Angle3 Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we want to explain to you how to pair this speaker to your Android phone. So in this case we have here the Samsung phone, but it will work in exactly the same way for any other Android phone as well. In case you want to pair your speaker to an iPhone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner, where we're explaining exactly how to do it for that kind of phone. Okay, so first of all, we have to, of course, turn on the speaker by pressing the power button here on the side. And then we check out this LED here, this blue LED on the very top and the side. When this is blinking, then the speaker is now in the Bluetooth pairing mode. In case it's not blinking for you at this point, you want to press here this Bluetooth button right underneath the LED for about 3 seconds until it starts to blink in blue. So at this point, the speaker is ready to be paired, and we can put this to the side. So now we're switching to our Android phone, and we're going to just simply swipe down to access the settings menu. So this is here, this little cogwheel icon. I'm going to click on that, and there we will find connections. And then here we have Bluetooth. So we're going to enter this screen, and there we make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. So we're just going to turn it on. And now this phone is going to search for our new speaker, and within seconds we should find it here on the bottom, Oontz Angle3. Going to select this, and eventually there's going to be like a confirmation pop-up that we really want to pair this speaker to our phone. We're going to press OK, and immediately our speaker is now paired to our phone and it is ready to be used. You can also check this LED on the side of the speaker again. If it's now constantly blue, it is successfully connected, and we can start playing our music here on the speaker. And if you're wondering if you have to go through this pairing process every time you want to use the speaker, then the answer to that question is no. So next time you're going to turn on the speaker, and while the Bluetooth function is still enabled on your phone, then the speaker is automatically going to pair again with our phone, and we don't have to do anything. So the speaker is ready to be used instantly. Okay, so this was already for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.